Welcome to the Chapters Academy course on textiles and fabrics. Textiles and apparel play an important role in everyone's daily life, from clothing to the textiles that surround us in our homes, cars, businesses, public spaces, and even in the outdoors, as well as the global economy. Textiles span over 8,500 years of human history and are the fabric of our societies, giving us shelter, comfort, warmth, security, status, and expression. And as Nielsen and Taylor said in 1994, fabric, more than any other tactile element in design, has the ability to humanize our interiors. Fabric can give a sense of personal space, since it's so often selected with personal preference as the prime criterion.